Hi, so in this video I'll show you how we can hide faces or how we can hide a particular portion of an image using Canva tool. So Canva allows you to blur whole image but not individual parts of image. So how can we do it? There are few options for it. So let me show you one of the options and then I'll show you the other way out also. So the option one is, here is the image that you're having, and what you need to do is I've selected Instagram post 1080p by 1080p resolution here. So what I'll do is I'll simply click on here, and what it will do is it will bring another variation of this image. Now I need to go into the option of edit image, go to adjust and simply blur this image to a level where the particular thing is not readable. So now I'll show you not hiding the faces, but I'll show you how we can hide this particular thing that is written on his t-shirt, right? So what we'll do is we'll try to make this image adjust according to in a similar way, right? And here we'll try to do not. One thing you need to remember here is that while you're doing all this thing, this image should always be selected. Do not click elsewhere. Okay, so this image should always be selected, and release your mouse or click anywhere else only after you have done this kind of blurring. Okay, so now I'm not doing this thing because do not select this option because it will hamper it. We just need to select these options. Okay, these options we need to change whenever you want to hide anything. So now if I'll click here, then you will see here that it has made that particular portion hidden, but a little portion is still available, so we don't want to show that. So let's hide it in this way. So now you can see that this portion is hidden, and if you want to hide it more, then again go to edit image option, go to adjust, and here you can select further hiding of this option so that this thing is altogether not visible. So now you can see that you have hidden this particular thing. Now let me show you the other way out. So there is option number 2 also. There are two ways here. So suppose this is the image where you want to hide this particular thing. So now I'm not sure how much accurate this thing works, but you can try this out. Okay, so simply go to graph elements option and write down here blur. Okay, write down blur, and now select this option, the first option that you are getting. Okay, now since this is an orange color, so first thing you need to change the color to green. So how will you do it? Go to this color palette option and click on plus option. Now click on this pen option. Now what this will do is it will pick color from here. So pick the color from here, and now it has changed the color. Now you can simply drag this thing, and this will going to blur things to a little extent, but not very much. So what you can do in such a case, if you want to hide it more, simply copy paste this thing, and you can see here that we have that particular thing is hidden now in a much better way. So which method do you think has worked perfectly? In my opinion, I think the second option is much easier also, and it has worked perfectly because you cannot detect that you have hidden anything, right? So this way you can try it out, hiding or blurring things, blurring particular portions of images. And yeah, I think this is quite simple tutorial for you, and in case of any doubts, feel free to leave comments. Thank you.